Hello. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. I'm happy and excited to be here today, opening the main plenary of CYBERWEEK 2018. My name is Menny, and I'm the CTO of the ICRC, which stands for the Blavatnik Interdisciplinary Cyber Research Center. You should remember that because we're going to test that later. CYBERWEEK is such an exciting event. You get to meet so many amazing people and hear so many thought-provoking ideas. I'm especially excited to see that every year we have people from more and more countries arriving in Israel, arriving at the Tel Aviv University to participate in the CYBERWEEK. This year, we're joined with people from over 85 countries, which is an amazing number. If you are from outside of Israel, please raise your hand. That's amazing. That's amazing. So on behalf of the ICRC and the Tel Aviv University and all the Israelis around here, I want to extend my warm welcome to you all. Thank you for joining us here at the Tel Aviv University. Entrepreneurs, investors, hackers, policymakers, government officials. We have so many amazing people, and they are here in this room, and they are all around you during the CYBERWEEK. So if you want to make the most out of this CYBERWEEK, what you have to do is you have to talk to new people. So just do it the Israeli way. Just go to someone you don't know and start talking to this person. Well, it doesn't always work, but you always get interesting stories, especially with those people who don't want to talk to you. I take no responsibility for this recommendation. We're going to have an amazing agenda in the next 2 days here at the main plenary. And I want to invite the first person to the stage. The Managing Director of the Blavatnik ICRC and the Managing Director of the Yuval Ne'eman Workshop for Science, Technology, Security. The person in charge of organizing this event. I want to welcome to the stage Gili Drob-Heistein. Please, the stage is yours.
Thank you. Thank you, Menny. I'm very excited. Honored guests, partners and friends, welcome to CYBERWEEK 2018. I'm proud to open the first day of our main plenary of CYBERWEEK. I'm excited to see such an impressive group of delegates and speakers join us each year in June at one of the biggest cybersecurity conferences in the world. It's been an honor to watch CYBERWEEK grow over the last 8 years. This year, over 8,000 guests from over 80 countries have joined us for CYBERWEEK. The Blavatnik Interdisciplinary Cyber Research Center at Tel Aviv University, together with the INCD and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, have created CYBERWEEK, one of the world's leading cyber conferences. Cyber is always developing and changing, and our goal is to provide you all with new ideas through high-level content and world-class experts. You, sitting in the audience, are the leaders, the decision-makers, the executives, the academics, the investors, the startups, and the hackers. We have created events and content just for you. One more word before I go. I would like to thank the entire CYBERWEEK team, our sponsors, partners, and everyone involved in making this event such a success. It is my pleasure to call Major General Professor Isaac Ben Israel, our conference chairman, to the stage. Have a wonderful CYBERWEEK.
Good morning. I'll be very short, don't worry. I would like, first of all, to welcome you, everyone. Many of you came from abroad. So welcome to Israel, or let me start with the right order. Welcome to Tel Aviv University, to Tel Aviv, and to Israel. And I hope that I hope to see you all next year on the 9th International Cybersecurity. And you know, it's the 4th day now of this event. And I wonder, from one hall to another hall, we occupied the whole halls at the university. And I wonder how come so many people, something like 10,000 people going around all those events, how come so many people are coming to discuss different aspects of cyber technology, and no one has really a clear definition of what cyber is? And this is a philosophical thought. If I may offer you my definition, cybersecurity is about the dark side of computer and communication technology. This is more or less the wider definition I can speak about, and I hope that the discussions that we have started on Sunday and are going to continue this week will help us in defining it more clearly. I'm very happy you are here, and I invite you to come again next year. Okay. You should see now, those are the pictures of, that's okay. Those who really organized it. It's my last chance to thank all of them. There are a group of young, usually I say guys, but in this case it's mainly women or girls that organized everything that you see, and headed by Gili and Revital and Ronnie and all the others. And I would like to thank them, because everything here was enabled by very hard work done by them. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Ben Israel. Thank you, Gili, and thank you everyone who was part of organizing this event. As Gili said, this is the 8th edition of the Cyber Week, and we keep on growing. We have an astonishing number of over 400 speakers during those 5 days. In those 50 events, we have so many people coming from all over the world to share their ideas and thoughts. And we are here at the Tel Aviv University. And one of the most exciting things about the Cyber Week is that you get to walk around this amazing place and see what is a Tel Aviv University.